Hello guys, Nitin here, back again. I hope you're doing well. In this video I will show you how to roast almonds. How to roast almonds in butter or ghee. Okay, on a stove, gas burner. Okay, let's get started without any further delays. Okay, I'm gonna turn the gas on. As you can see here, heat the pan slightly. Here, as you can see, I have homemade desi ghee. Okay, you gotta take only a little. Okay, as you can see, only a little. These are the almonds. These are raw almonds, about 100 grams. Okay, put the ghee in the pan, just like that. Okay, to melt it. Okay, as you can see, now just rotate the pan so that the ghee should coat the inner surface of the pan. Okay, now add your almonds. That's it. Take a big spoon and just stir it. Let me add more. The important thing to note is that you must not allow the ghee or almonds to burn. Okay, you keep stirring it. Okay, to spread the heat evenly. You can turn the gas to low. Okay, low flame, and keep stirring it. Okay, if you see smoke coming out of the almonds, like smoke or steam and burning smell, then you should turn off this thing. Okay, turn off and stir it. Keep stirring it. Coat the almonds in ghee or butter completely. Okay, as you can see. Okay, this process will take about 10 to 15 minutes. Don't do more than that, or your almonds can burn. Keep stirring it. The heat from the pan or kadhai help in roasting. Okay, keep stirring it like that. And if you see the pan is a little cool, then turn on this thing again on low flame. Okay, you guys keep stirring it. Keep stirring it. I will meet you after 10 to 15 minutes. Okay guys, after 10 minutes of constant stirring, the main thing to remember is that you should not let the temperature get too high or to burn the almonds. We should roast them slowly and on low flame. Okay, inconsistent. You should keep stirring it. Okay. After roasting, you can add salt according to your taste, which I will show you. You can also take some okay, these will be hot, okay, so be careful, okay, and you can like taste them, okay, according to the crispiness or nuttiness that you prefer. Okay, the flame is on. Okay, now I will turn on the flame. It's about after 10 to 11 minutes, 12. Okay, that's it. Put the almonds in a big plate or pan to let them cool. Okay, let them cool about 5 to 10 minutes, okay, in the open air. Okay guys, after about 5 to 10 minutes they have cooled. Okay, we have now table salt, regular table salt. Add salt according to your preference. Okay, now coat them evenly. Now your almonds are ready, roasted, okay, butter roasted and salted homemade almonds. You can eat them now directly. They taste amazing, I tell you guys. Okay guys, that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and family. Like this video and subscribe my channel. Help it grow. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.